you know, you can lock me up, but all I'm going to do is make some drinks in quarantine. And today is the Black Feather. This is made by Robert Hess. It is a Robert Hess original. If you're not familiar with him, he's known as the Drink Boy, a very knowledgeable and very good resource for cocktails. This particular drink is going to use cognac as a base. Good VSOP Cognac will do you a lot of good, and in this case, tons of good. So, very simplistic drink that we're going to make today. Going to be stirred. Make sure you get a bar spoon ready. And let's make this drink. So, while I get my cognac out, I want to remind you that I'm on a quest. 100 cocktails in 2020. So being stuck at home, well, it makes it a little bit easier to make that happen. So, hey, I'm cool with it. Anywho, we're going to start off with our cognac. It is going to be 2 ounces of our cognac. Like I said, though, 100 drinks throughout the year, so click on that subscribe button down below. You'll get notified when I post anything new. So, second thing is going to be some dry vermouth. This is a French dry vermouth. It's not clear like you see a lot of vermouths that are dry. This one, however, is. It's going to be an ounce, not counting what went onto my bar mat. This is a nice, very nice French dry vermouth. And what he used was mostly French ingredients in this, leading up to Cointreau, which is a kind of triple sec orange liqueur, also made in France. And this is kind of going to be the sweetener element of the drink. Going to be a ½ ounce of Cointreau, which I'm almost out of. And in case you're wondering, yes, you could use Grand Marnier, and yes, you could use an Italian vermouth if you wanted to. Final thing is going to be add a couple dashes of Angostura bitters. Any kind of aromatic bitters will work as well. Fee Brothers makes a really good one. And, you know, just experiment. See what you like. 1 or 2. I wouldn't go over 2 in this case. So I got a nice little scoop of cracked ice. I'm going to put that in there. And we're going to stir this. Okay, a very nice stir here. I'm going to take a cocktail glass, preferably a chilled cocktail glass, and we're going to strain this off into it. And you might wonder why I don't always have mine pre-chilled, just for appearance's sakes. That way it's not so cloudy. When I pour it, you get a good look at how the drink looks, the colors, but it is typically best to go ahead and chill that glass first. And I'm going to make a lemon twist here. Alright, I'm going to make this lemon twist. I like to cut my peel right over the drink. That way all those essential oils are going to float on top. You're going to get a nice drink out of it. Okay, so when it comes to making a lemon twist, you just want to take a nice little peel of lemon, use a knife to clean up the edges. You can really control the width of it. Just clean up the ends. And once you have the drink and your lemon, you just want to kind of take a spoon, twist it around that spoon right over the drink. And you're not going to see it much in my filming, but there is a ton of essential oils that are going to come off of this drink, or off of this peel, and they're going to land right on top of the drink. It gives it a great fragrance when you actually put it up to your mouth to drink it, and it looks cool, you know? So, fantastic. That is the Black Feather cocktail. Great, lovely citrus fragrance in there. It's the whole purpose of that lemon peel. That's delightful. In terms of, it's very close to being the true definition of a cocktail. It has a base spirit, vermouth. The cognac has the sugar element, although not quite, and bitters. So it's very much a true cocktail drinker's cocktail. Quite nice. Slightly bitter. Not too much of a burn from the cognac, especially if you use a nice, good cognac. A little bit of dryness and fruitiness from the vermouth. Overall, quite a good drink. That is good. Compliments to Robert Hess. That is a quality cocktail, no doubt. So if you have an interest in cocktails and you want to see even more of what I make, click down below, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you're going to get notifications when I post anything new. So until next time, I want to thank you for watching this. And remember that if this idiot can do it, so can you. Cheers.